Good afternoon to you. Today is the 25th of June, a Friday, and TGIF everyone. Let me just bring you the news of the local conglomerate today. On the Straits Times, we have the Sembmarine proposed 1.5 billion rights issue. So just give you an overview what happened to their share price this morning. Sembmarine shares fell 24.61% and Keppel Corporation share price increased by 5.48%. So today I just want to cover what is happening behind this price action. If we take a look, other than the rights issue that was announced by Sembmarine, they also announced a MOU, Memorandum of Understanding with Keppel Corporation. So if we to dig deeper, what is the rights issue exactly? The proposal is to raise 1.5 billion and that is expected to be completed in the third quarter of this year. It will be on the basis of 3 rights shares for every 2 existing shares held at a rights issue price of 8 cents per share, representing a discount of 35.7% to the theoretical ex-rights price. So that is the downward pressure caused by the market and causing the price to fall, market price of Sembmarine to fall. Now, to get a bigger picture understanding of what is happening in the industry for oil and gas, we have to zoom out to last year of 2020 because of COVID-19. Something unprecedented happened besides the pandemic was that the oil price actually fell below $0, so it went into negative. So this is the crude oil futures chart, and we can see in April or May of 2020, prices fall to not just negative $1, not just negative $10, but negative $40 at one point. So that was the first time the oil market has touched zero and went into negative. And what was the implication? So that was the oil price itself, but for all companies within the industry, it sent a wave, a rippling effect throughout the industry. So if we zoom out for Keppel Corporation share price over the past 5 years, it has been trending down from $8 at its peak to even $4 at its bottom. Same goes for Sembmarine. Their share price has been trending down in the past 5 years. I did follow these two companies quite many years ago. That was when I actually had my university tuition completely paid for by my Keppel Corporation shares. So I exited the trade, but what happened to traders that did not exit is a wave of bankruptcy. So In Leong, one of the largest oil traders in Singapore, was trading oil throughout this 5 years period, and this caused their downfall. They declared bankruptcy, and we can see that it is not and we can see that Keppel Corporation and Sembmarine are also facing many challenges, and that is why they have decided to merge, right? And what they are merging is actually the offshore and marine units. And how will they do that? They'll be setting up a new listed entity that is a combination of their assets that is in this oil and gas sector. Now, the shareholders of Keppel will also receive shares and a cash consideration of up to 500 million. This is not confirmed, but we will be following this news closely and updating you guys. Just to summarize, Based on Keppel Corporation's media briefing, their CEO has shared that a wholly owned subsidiary of Temasek will come in and take over this separate entity that will house their assets. Now, I will not go into the details here, but if you like my comments or thoughts, do feel free to leave it in the comment section and I will get back to you with another video. But in the meantime, you may check out their announcements and what the company plans to maneuver beyond 2021. And that's it for today's news of the week. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and share button and leave your questions in the comment section and let me know what would you like to hear about next.